Lesson 105, Compound Average and Rate Problems. Compound just means that there's two or more steps to solve a problem, and these problems usually have more than one average. So we're going to do an example here, and it is a word problem. We took a trip down to Salt Lake. On the way down, we drove 120 miles in 3 hours. On the way back, we drove 120 miles in 2 hours. What is our average speed for the round trip? So we need to take the miles and the time it took and the speed. And we have the trip down, we have the trip back, and we have the round trip. The miles were the same, 120 to go there and 120 to come back. The total round trip is 240. It took us 3 hours to go down, 2 hours to come back, so 5 hours time. To find the speed, and this is our rate, or our miles per hour, 120 divided by 3 is 40, so the average was 40 miles per hour. 120 divided by 2 is 60 miles per hour. And for the round trip, 240 divided by 5 is 48 miles per hour. So the entire round trip, the average speed was 48 miles per hour. One more example. After 3 games of bowling, Moy's average score was 88. What score does he need in his next 2 games to raise the average to 90? So the 3-game total, the average was 88, so we just do 88 times 3, which is 264. A 5-game total, they want an average of 90 in 5 games, so that's going to be 450. He needs 450 points minus 264. That's how many more points he needs. So when you subtract, you get 186. Then you divide by the number of games left, and he has 2 more games to play. So if we do 186 divided by 2, we get 93. So this is what he has, this is what he wants, and this is what he needs. So the average of the next 2 games that he needs is 93. And that's the end of the lesson.